Okay, today we are working on the bathroom. As you can tell, I gotta put some subfloor in there yet, but I'm living here, so I need a shower. So I gotta get the shower done. So this is called subway tile. It's just a normal white. And you can see here what it looks like. It's really nice on one side. It's got a grip on the back side. You can put it vertically. I decided to put it horizontally. And here's a key part that I learned over the years. It's best to what's called back butter your tiles. So I put mortar on the wall, and then I also put a layer on the back of the tile. It's actually easier to work with when you do it that way too, because when you stick the tile up, it actually sticks to the other mortar. So it gives you a few seconds to put these little spacers in. And these spacers come in different thickness. You can see this one's not that thick. And don't worry about that little bit of excess on the tile. Most of that'll wash off. Get any big globs and stuff off. So subway tile is patterned different ways, so I stagger them. You can put them all in a straight line, but you gotta be a lot more careful on how you do it. And there's different kinds of, there's tile spacers and things like that that'll help you with that. So anyway, we're off and rolling. Oh, key point, by the way, did you notice the very bottom row I didn't do? I screwed on these boards. Now, why would I do that? Well, the bathtub is slippery. You need this to stick before you put the bottom one on. Plus, there's a potential the bathtub isn't exactly level. So what I did is I measured one tile width up with a little bit. If you notice, here's a spacer. So I've got some room to make sure they go underneath. And the last row that goes on will be the bottom one. Anyway, good luck in your tiling. Bye. Okay, let's take a look. So now on this side, again, I've got that board there. If I notice, I went all the way down and I'm actually putting these vertically. Why? Just because I decided I wanted a fancier strip on that edge. That's it. And this stuff is the coolest word. This stuff's called Schluter. Schluter, it looks like that. Schluter, it comes in different thicknesses. You can figure out which thickness you want, that the tile goes actually right in or butts up against it. Some have a little piece inside here to keep the spacing. They're all a little different. So anyway, I'm going to show you this in slow motion, or fast motion, I guess. Okay, it's pretty damn warm in here. Yeah, dripping. So that showed you kind of in fast motion, the tiles going up, but the important part was these spacers. You're making sure your lines are correct. You'll also notice in the corner, the full one goes against the full one. The half one goes against the half one, because then together it looks like it's a full piece. And so if you stagger that right, the illusion is that it's one complete tile going all the way around the corner. So that's one little trick. The other one, like I said, is back buttering the tile, putting a mortar on the back so the two stick. And as you notice, there were many times I put it up, left it there, went down and got the tile spacers. So keep your tile spacers going, make sure you got the same space, make sure your schluter's nice and straight, and you should be good. I don't have a whole lot left to finish this, and then I gotta go to that side. Yeah, almost done. See ya.